Let's turn on the light. There we go. Good morning, guys. It is currently like 10 something. We've been up since like 7. Just getting ready, eating breakfast, and doing some errands around the resort. We do have another excursion today. It's like an extreme one. Let's see how extreme it is. But last night I didn't close out the vlog because when we got to the resort from the other excursion, I was extremely tired. I was beat. I took a nap, I believe, and then we went out to dinner at an Italian restaurant here, which was really good. And then we just hung out at the lobby bar. There was a live performance. It was really fun, but other than that, came back to the room, slept, woke up today, and now it's a new day. So we're just waiting. The pickup for the excursion is like 12. All my other family is like getting breakfast and stuff. Jason doesn't want to be in the vlog. But you're gonna be in the vlog, you have no choice. It's a nice day outside.
Hey, what time is it?
What time is it?
Time to party!
It's not time to party. And we have a bit of a mess in this room, but it is 10:38. Look at Emily, so cute. Look at her. The cutest thing. And I'm extremely sunburned, like here, my face is sunburned. It hurts to put anything on my shoulders. I did have to go to the store inside the resort and buy the like aloe vera lidocaine thing, and that's been helping a lot. But I need to try and avoid the sun. I learned my lesson. I never used to get sunburned, and now recently I have been, so no more. So from here on out, I will be going probably back to the GoPro for the water stuff and just the excursion, because this baby is way too expensive to be risking to bring out there. But just wanted to give you guys an update, and it is Sunday the 24th. What time is it?
It's time to party!
No, it's not. But I'll see you guys later. Can you focus on me? I'm too dark. I have to go this way. Ooh, it looked like there was someone passing by, but it was just the shadows of the tree. But hey guys, it is, let's see, 12:13. We have to meet at the lobby around 12:30 to be picked up. I'm currently just eating some quesadillas. My husband's here. Let's go see. Going. Welcome to my crib. What's that?
Welcome to your crib.
Our room is nice and clean. Room service came. We went and chilled outside until it was time to eat. I'm eating some quesadillas because I know the excursion has some light lunch while watching some What is going on here? Anyways, I'm watching some Deligracy with the new Sim Strange pack. See what's going on. In the meantime, got my Coke. I need to wolf this down before it's like 12 o'clock. This is my second mojito. Jason just bought me a third one. There it is. Look at that. And then, what did you get to drink? That looked weird.
That's supposed to be for Ariel.
Well then, looks like I'm gonna have to drink it. This is really strong. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update. Our next scene will probably be with the GoPro. So just wanted to give you guys an update because I noticed I wasn't filming or talking a lot throughout this vlog. So I'm gonna try my hardest to do it. Sorry guys. Peace. There he goes eating another one. That was mine.
How was it?
That one was slow. I like it fast. back. It's how many hours later, babe? A lot of hours. I just showered. We went out to eat. We had sushi. What is this red line I have here? But look, I'm so red. It's so bad. Don't mind the smoke. I just showered, so it's very steamy here. But, ugh. But it's actually 8:14. The night is still very young. We're gonna go out to the lobby bar. I don't think I'm gonna bring a camera. Just gonna relax. And yeah, just wanted to give you guys an update because I feel like I never close out the day. So that's what I'm doing now. Again, it is 8:14 as you see there. And we're just gonna chill with my family at the lobby bar. So yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow probably. So yeah, bye.